So, announcement. King February 21 and 22, they're gonna be grand opening, grand launching the Reta pong paella dishes, the Reta Maka Platter nandin. It's 50% off. Make sure to be here kay Karelang grand launch, February 21 and 22. Babo Kabalen, kumusta kay po? Ako Louis Seasoning where in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. May invite kami keng Meto Nga Bayong Bukote Restaurant. As a matter of fact, it's a seafood restaurant mixed with grill. Actually, it's an interesting restaurant, so make sure to watch this at the end of the video. Bakit mingan po kaya kayo nung nanong sinerve na kaya kami. Let's go! Alright, so metong kakaibang kay Kenny way of choosing your food is yan, Kenny freezer ini. So in here, apin na natin ang fresh catch na seafood pin. So ating asan, shrimp, alimango, pusit, ating clam, ating sulib, right? Pangaragoda. So, mamili mo Kenny, kaya ba't paluto tayo? Pero dinanda ko yung option na nung ikayo yung, for example, at Kenny, ano kaya ang pilihan nyo? Anong paluto yun? So, syempre, depende kayong craving mo na. So, suggest na kaya kata mo guys, pilihan tayo itang maragulasan na ito. Kaya ba't paluto tayong sweet and sour?
Yan. Ano yung paluto tama? 60 per...
So, of course, may itong star na serve na kayo guys, inikare lang seafood platter. So, atin tamong all crab. Yung all crab tamo guys, flavor na is labasa.
Kalabasa.
Pwede kayo pa mo rin mamili karetang available flavors da. So, may itong yamoy ta kayong available da, which is kalabasa. Okay, but atin naman mixed seafood. So, kayong mixed seafood da guys, again, makapamili ka nung nanumburi mong flavor. Pero, ingat nyo kayong mixed seafood guys. Of course, ating crab, ating shrimp, ating mussels, clams. Numburi mo naman ating meat.
Yes.
So, ating lang surf and turf. Kapin nini guys. So, in it, ating kang barbecue ribs.
Yung barbecue chicken.
Ating barbecue chicken. Ating kamo rin alimasag, ampong...
Shrimp.
And then lastly, numburi mo naman all meat. As in, dedicated meat mo naman. So, hanggang lagyo na nini guys is Seafood Hunter. Ating lang mo naman meat yan. So, nanoy nga chicken bro.
So, kening all meat na ating ribs, ating chicken, ating liempo, yung barbecue, ating din sausages.
Wow! Amazing. Amazing. So, apin din guys, red ang seafood platter da. Red, apat lang mo din, pero grabe, no pangadakan.
Pero you can choose na anong flavor yung buri mo.
Exactly. Apin nining kare lang set menu. So, package meals la. As low as 1,999. Apin nining pinaka lowest package la. Pero for that price, actually, kayong estimate ko na, agyo ng serving na, yung pakananan nila, up until 10 persons. Magsilbi ni karetang ating mo birthday, o kaya graduation, lalo na malapit ng graduation, mga yan. So, o kaya naman, retang, wala mong weekend kayo mo, weekend food trip na rin.
With barkadas, family.
So, as low as 1,999. Aliyah Unlimited, pero grabe. Talagang apakabsinan na rin apulong tao. Oh. Nung nanulata included kayong milda. So, adwa lang serving na sinigang na hipon. Adwa lang mo naman serving na ning seafood pansit. In mo naman adwang serving na ning kari-kari. Adwa mo naman serving na ning lumpiang Shanghai. Ampong adwang serving na ning barbecue. So, ating pork barbecue. And then lastly, ating 10 cups of rice. And then the center of ining meal ay ni is ining manok. Fried chicken. Wow, what a great deal. For only 1,999 pesos, guys. So, nandin, mitatamo kitang karelang bala mo fresh catch section. So, actually, may order tamo nandin. Talakitok, ampopang, pusit. Mga yan. So, pepaluto tamo kitang pusit is adobo yun. So, pansinan niya, aliyatid-tad na. Apin din tanan ng pusit ito. Ining kening sumangin naman. Apin din talakitok. Guys, look at this. Check that out. So available na po kayo ni rin. Nanuburi mong paluto ne. Halimbawa, pasabome, pa-sweet and sour me, or panangnang me, malyariya mo naman. May itong pa rin sa serve da kayo ni R, a la carte meals. So, may itong kayo nung harap tamo, ining karelang sinampalukang bulalo. Ooh! Bone marrow at its best. Grabe, sigurado ating manintong karenin eh. Okay, but kareta pang alwa ng a la carte guys. At nila pa muna mang chicken.
Wings.
4 different kinds of flavor, so mostly din children friendly na. So usually din nila nga orderan na rin anak tamo. So at least kayo ni guys, dakala pa muna man
Option
flavor.
na flavor.
Wow, ayan. So bisan pa kabalin, magpasalamat kami kay Pamanan Tabe, yung kay aming vlog, and magpasalamat kami muna man Seafood Hunter for inviting us. Guys, this is gonna be the newest option kaya kayong list. So yung location na guys is kaning first level na ng Jumbo General Sindalan. Open niya po from Monday up until Sunday from 9 a.m. up until 10 p.m.
Yes.
Price list na rin menu na sinerve na kayo ni guys. We're gonna flash them at the end of this video, so make sure you watch it until the end. Nung interested kayo pong abalo, nung tsaka magkano na rin ang
Servings daw.
Era servings daw. So good news! Starting March 1, we're gonna be raffling one winner every other day.
Yes.
Up until the end of March. Na?
So, ibig sabihin, we will be choosing 15 winners.
15 winners na mapalyaring manyambut ketang seafood platter meal da. So we're gonna get a platter, rice, flan, dessert na atin niya mo naman, drinks. So we're gonna be posting them every other day. Nung ninuretang manyambut baka nito. I enjoy lang mo naman din kay Nis. With that, salamat po. We're gonna keep the video rolling. So thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Peace out. Bye.